Hey guys, and welcome to today's item shop. Of course, we still have Yellow Jacket here, which I'm pretty sure the time's almost up for that. Anyways, let's just move on to one of our favorite skins right here. And of course, let's not forget about the back bling. Moving on to this awesome wrap, and yes, Chaos Agent is back, which is one of my favorite skins. And yes, it still comes with this awesome back bling. Auto is also available at the moment. Again, it does come with the back bling, nothing has really changed. And Gunner is also right here. One of our all-time favorites is back, Snorkel Ops. And yes, one of the most boring harvesting tools in my opinion is also available, which was introduced in Season 1. However, we have awesome emotes such as this one right here for only 200. And of course our scorecard. Last but not least, glitter. Luckily, we still have black Manta right here for purchase, with of course the harvesting tool that goes perfect with the skin. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.